This is the new Ram Mount Quick Grip Pro, and what it's doing is it's taking all of that organising and fiddling and faffing with the cables, it's taking it completely out of the equation. And if you've got a phone with a MagSafe on, you can use the mount to charge your phone. The cable's already wired in, and all you need to do, put your phone in and it starts charging. No faffing around with the cables anymore. If you've got one of these and you've got your phone mounted in one of these units, then you know if you want to have your phone displayed and charge your phone at the same time, you've then got to rummage around in all of your stuff to find the cable, to find out where's the end, so that, is this the right one? Yeah, that needs to go in there, and then find the other end, so that you've got two options: either have the cable here and then put it on when you need it, or have the cable permanently mounted on your bike. Where we are here at the coast, I can't leave the cables here because everything rusts. So I have to keep my cables in the little bag, and then when I want to charge my phone, I've got to wire up the cable and set it all up, and then it must stay there. And then when I finish charging the phone, I've got to put it all away again. What Ram Mount have done now is they've gone a little bit more high tech. So let me show you what they've got now. This is the new Ram Mount Quick Grip Pro. And what it's doing is it's taking all of that organising and fiddling and faffing with the cables, it's taking it completely out of the equation. And if you've got a phone with a MagSafe on, you can use the mount to charge your phone. The cable's already wired in, and all you need to do, put your phone in and it starts charging. No faffing around with the cables anymore. I've got here one of each of the different types of grips. So I just want to quickly run through each one and just remind you what one suits different occasions. The first one is the old school, the very original one, and this one is really nice if you're using it occasionally because it's so small, quick and easy, not too much faffing. Really nice. I really like this one to put in my travel bag if I'm going somewhere and when I get there there's a hire car or something, because this is really easy to carry around with you with a suction mount that goes on the windscreen. The one thing that's a little bit of a pain in the bum and why they upgraded from this one was when the phone started putting buttons on the side, when you put the clamp on, it would press the buttons and it would either change the volume or turn the phone on and turn the phone off. So that's not necessarily Ram Mount's fault, it's just when they started putting the buttons on the side. So that's the original one. I like this for its flexibility, and particularly if I take it and I'm going traveling. Then we've got the Quick Grip. This one, I really like this one. It's nice and flat. Its feet don't have any rubber feet like this one does. So this is nice, plain, simple. I really like this one. When you put your phone in, it's being clamped twice at the top, twice at the bottom. It's not pressing any buttons and it's holding the phone really nice and tight. So this one is definitely one of my favorites. And this is the new one, and this is a Quick Grip Pro, and pretty much they've combined the two older versions, one that's got rubber feet, so this one has rubber feet, and also it's spring-loaded from the top, so you just slide your phone in. So it is a really nice combination of the two. What this one does is it allows you to put a MagSafe charger so you can charge your phone at the same time and you don't have to fiddle around with cables. So the way it works is you take these little rubber, this big round rubber thing off, and then what you do, there is a little sticker that's included in the pack, and that allows you to stick your MagSafe onto the mount, and then you take your time and you've got to put these little feet in. It takes a little bit of a while, but you line up these little feet, and then once you've managed to push all the feet in, they take a while, but once they're in, they're in. And then this, at the moment, I've not got it stuck on, but that would be stuck onto there. And then when you put your phone in, it connects to the MagSafe and charges your phone. It is as easy as that. It's nice, it's tidy, and then this end, however you want to do, you can plug this into your bike. You could leave it in there permanently if you wanted to, and then you don't need to fiddle around at the bottom of your phone trying to find the power cable. So you just put your phone in, it starts charging. If you want to stop and take a photo, you just take your phone out, use it, put it back, and it starts again. The same with the old quick grips, you can adjust the size of the feet, so these can go wider and these can go longer, and then this is a spring-loaded one, so that doesn't matter so much. So there are screws on the back to adjust it to suit whichever phone you've got. And as with all round mount stuff, there are a whole host of different ways that you can mount this onto your bike. So this is the little ball thing, and you could put this and screw that one onto there. I've got it set with an old Vibe Safe because I like this Vibe Safe, and I've fitted the base plate on there, and then that just winds into there. And that one's got a claw, so I can put this wherever I like. But as with anything with the round mount, the fittings are the same, so you just choose how you want to do it. And while I'm talking about it, this MagSafe round mounts are coming up with their own one, so that there is a waterproof version that lives in here. I've currently got this new Quick Grip Pro on the old Vibe Safe. There is a new vibration damper coming, and when that arrives and I get my hands on one of those, I'm going to do a specific little scientific test to compare this new mount with a Vibe Safe and this new mount with a new vibration damper. I've done one of those little videos before, so the link's going to be here somewhere. Have a look and you can go and check that out. That was quite a cool little video to see the difference in vibration between all the different types of the previous mounts. So when that comes, I will do a specific video on the dampering of this particular unit. So that's my little intro to this new Quick Grip Pro. It looks like a really nice piece of kit. You can use it with the MagSafe or without. It's very adjustable. It looks nice and secure. It's got nice rubber feet. It's the usual round mount quality. I can't see anything wrong with this one. I will do another little review in a month or so once I've been using it for a while, and then I will get back to you then. If you're interested in one of these, I'll leave all the links for where you can get hold of one in the description below. That's it for now, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, Ciao.